Maybe you're new to Spotify, you've been wondering how to set up your account. You want to enjoy all your favorite music and discover new artists, but you just don't know where to begin. So don't worry, I got 5 easy steps to help you create your Spotify account today. So first, you're going to visit the Spotify website or download the Spotify app from your phone's app store. Then you're going to click on sign up and you're going to fill in your details like your email, your username, and your password. Then you could also sign up using your Facebook or your Google account if you prefer. Next, you're going to choose between a free account or a premium account based on what you want. So basically, free accounts have ads, but premium accounts give you an ad-free music experience. So once your account is all set up, you can start following artists, creating playlists, listening to music anytime. It's that simple. So if you go for the free version, you could also, put the volume down. When the ads disappear, you put it back up. You got 6 skips though, okay, on the free account. But it keeps it more exciting if you ask me. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a like, leave me a subscribe. Subscribe. Love ya.